Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Fluidmaster toilet fill valve. Mine is leaking from the top there, so we're going to replace it out with a new one. The first thing you're going to want to do is shut off the water to the toilet. Next, you're going to want to flush the toilet to get all the water out. Do this a couple times to get as much water out as possible. There's still going to be some water left in the bottom, so you're going to need a bucket for the next step. Next, you're going to disconnect the water supply. And there may be water that comes out, so just keep that in mind. Keep your bucket handy. Then with a pair of channel locks, you're going to remove the nut that holds on the Fluidmaster. Then get a cup or bucket and remove Fluidmaster from the top. Okay, what you're going to want to do is get the new one set up like the old one. So you can pull this collar up, slide this down, get as close as we can to the old one. Once you have it set up, you pull this collar back down. Adjust this here. Keep in mind, the lower this goes, the less water available for a flush. So if you want to save some money, you want to put it all the way down. If you want more water for your flush, you want to keep this higher up. Then you're going to install the hose. Then we can go reinstall it. Okay, back over at the toilet, you're going to place the Fluidmaster fill valve back into the hole. Place the overfill onto the pipe here. Then we come down around the bottom. Okay, back underneath the toilet, you install the provided white nut. Put that on there nice and snug. Just do it hand tight. You don't want to over tighten this. Then reconnect your water supply. Same thing, you want this pretty tight but not over tight. Then you just want to double check everything. Make sure you're good to go before you turn the water back on. Then go ahead and turn your water back on. If the water fills, the valve should shut off. And you can give it a little test flush if you'd like. And that's it. If this helped you guys out at all, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks.